Another day creating this content. Another day. You ever feel like your brain just quits on you? It's like you're staring at the screen, ready to create, and nothing. Just a creative block, mental block. Well, guess what? That's normal. And if you think about it, it's actually a gift. It's actually the universe tapping you on the shoulder and saying, hey, it's time for a break. It's time to recharge. Because look, this content creating thing is truly a journey. And just like any other road trip, you might hit traffic, construction, or if you're lucky, you might even hit a cow in the middle of the road. Because you can either sit there in frustration and anger, or you can take the scenic detour and find something new, discover something new. Same goes for your creative process. When you're stuck, don't just sit there banging your head against the wall. You know, like a caveman trying to invent fire. Do something else. Take a walk, read a book, or that hobby that you've been thinking about starting one day, start it today. That's the perfect time to start it. Why? Because blocks aren't stop signs. They're redirection signs, detours. It doesn't mean abort the mission. It doesn't mean that you're giving up. As you go on your journey, it may be times where you think you're gonna go left, but you actually need to go right to get right. Think about it. Some of your best ideas come when you're not actively searching for them. You ever had $1 million idea in the shower? Well, me too. That's because when you relax, your brain can stop panicking and actually start working for you instead of against you. And here's the real kicker. What if that mental block is actually setting you up for something better? What if this pause is actually setting you up for your best work that you've ever created? For your best work yet? Because the algorithm won't punish you for taking a break. It'll actually reward you for coming back stronger. So next time you hit a mental roadblock, don't fight it, embrace it. Use that time to revitalize, reinvigorate, and come back with fresh energy. Because it's not a setback, it's actually a setup.